guys, welcome to the PC Tips Pro, and in today's video we are going to see 7 best computer softwares for your video editing. So this can let you make your videos like a pro. So before getting into the video, if you guys haven't yet subscribed to the PC Tips Pro, please do subscribe. And now let's get into the video. So basically, according to a survey, it says that the video continues to be an overwhelming majority of businesses, with 86% businesses using video as a marketing tool. To make the most of this, you will need a good video editing software that can help you showcase your products from every angle that is possible. And we can even produce some professional promos for the platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, or a brand video, an ad, anything it can be, which can promote our video, which can show what our product is about. So there are number of easy to use free video editing programs that can help you stand out from your competitors. So a well produced product videos are a more engaging form of content marketing, and then the photographs alone can reduce a customer's hesitation in making a purchase. So in this video we have a list of best free video editing softwares, and we have their free and paid versions, so we'll just have a look at them now. So first one comes out to be the Lightworks. So this includes a simple and intuitive interface, so it makes us easy to get started. So let's quickly see what are the features of Lightworks. So it is something like it's a suite of original stock videos and music clips licensed for use in any videos you edit on the program. So what are the features of this? So first is it is having high quality and simple trim functions for fast and precise video editing, and it also has this speed optimization, letting you continue to edit while importing the new content. So and it also supports the multicam editing for syncing clips from multiple cameras, and the real time team project sharing with full control, which user has editing access. So it will be letting you to work in teams, and we can easily share our videos, or we can to the YouTube or Facebook or Instagram, anywhere. And it supports wide range of video formats. So if you can see that it is available for the Windows, Mac and Linux, and we have the two versions, that is it is free, we can use it free with some features, and if you want to buy the pro version, it will be costing us around $24.99 per month. And next comes out to be VideoPad. So this website is a great free option of video editing software for anyone who wants to create high quality videos without spending dime. So we can find all the kinds of simple and easy to use features such as 3D video editing and sound effects library to try different video compositions and styles. So if you see those features, we have a double built-in screen. That means that one to preview selected clips and one to preview completed sequences. So for the two things we have two built-in screens, that is double built-in screens. So and it also have pre-made and customizable transitions for the polished professionalism, and we can export this presets to easily create videos which are optimized, and we can be easily doing the social media sharing, and we can publish these like with these tools which are present in the video pad. And there are a large library of video transitions and visual effects to customize the videos, and the video optimization tools like stabilization, these are all present in the video pad. So it is really a good option for you if you are looking for some free tool and you're a beginner, like you want to start your editing, you can just go for it. So it is available on Mac and Windows, and it is completely free. It is a good part. And then comes the third software that we can think of as HitFilm Express. So this is a very simple free video editor with professional visual effects and tutorials also. So if you don't have a lot of experience with video editing, maybe you can feel that it is bit advanced at first. So it is usually used to produce Hollywood style films, but it's worth the learning curve as it's one of the best in all-in-one free video editors available. So you can go for like this, like if you already have few a bit knowledge, or if you are trying to adjust to this advanced kind of editors, you can, if you want to produce some good quality videos, you can definitely go for this. It also includes in animation tools that can let you create audio and video transition. So we can just quickly see the features of this, that is, it is professional grade video editing, and it will be allowing you to animate two separate shots together, and it has an auto stabilizer to make the shaky footage look smooth, and also it has the unlimited video and audio timeline track creation, and the adaptive trimmer that will be letting you to retrim your clips after adding them to the timeline. And we are having an audio mixer, and we have various transition options like zoom, push, dissolve, and all the things. And here if you can see, it is available for Mac and Windows, and the price, it is having its free version, and also if you want to purchase the pro version, it is $349. And then comes the fourth one, that is DaVinci Resolve. So this is a top free editor for advanced editors. So it combines the professional 8K editing, color correction, visual effects, and audio post production in a single production tool, which is why it's the video editing software of many professional editors of films. So you can just go for this, like if you're looking for some advanced software, so it is having all these features of auto editing, dual timeline, and picture in picture effects, retiming, stabilization, and high quality motion estimation. So then it is available for all the three Windows, Mac, and Linux, and it is having its free version. And for the full stereo version, you need to purchase it for $269. And next comes the fifth one, that is VSDC free video editor. So it is best free video editing software for Windows only. So it is a desktop video editing software, and it is both free and also paid. So although this is having free version is having reduced features, it comes with VSDC's full video editing suite. So let's quickly look at the features of it. It is having color correction for the more professional look, and transitional effects, like it is having full suite of transitional effects, and it is having easy to use image filters. It is much like an Instagram filter, very easy to use. And it is having mask tools like for hiding, blurring, or highlighting specific elements, and social media link sharing for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Vimeo, and anything. And the other good part is it is an advanced compression standard, so it maintains this highest quality at minimum file size. So it is essential for processing 4K and HD files, that is, it follows HEVC. So it is available for Windows, and price is free. And for the paid version, for the pro version, we need to pay $19.99. And next comes the sixth software, that is OpenShot. So it is the easiest free video editing software for intermediate editors. So it has the easy to use user interface, and it is very efficient option if you are if you are having some small business, and it is best for clip resizing, scaling, trimming, snapping, and rotation. So you can see the features, like you can give the watermarks, and also you can give the background videos and audio tracks. You can give the title card templates which are customizable, and most of the functionality for adding video, audio, or image is drag and drop, very simple. And it has all the digital video effects like brightness, gamma, the grayscale and chroma key, etc. And it is having powerful keyframe or animation capabilities for creating animated videos. It is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and the price is free. That is a very good part about this. And then next comes our last website, that is Shotcut. So it is best open source movie maker for audio files. So this is an open source cross platform video editor with vast collection of tutorial videos. So it supports wide range of formats like FFmpeg and FFmpeg and 4K, ProRes, and like many things. So let's see at its features. Like as I told you, it will be supporting various formats, and it is having the native timeline editing, which allows users to import video files directly into their project file rather than a media library. So it is having a multi-format timeline for mixing and matching resolutions and frame rates within a project. And it also have advanced audio filters like balance, bass, treble, bandpass, and many other compressors and more. So it is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux, and its price is completely free. So these all are the seven free websites softwares for your video editing, which can make you create videos like a pro. And I hope you guys found this video useful to you. And please do like, share, and subscribe to the PC Tips Pro. And if you're expecting any kind of videos from us, if on any topics, you can just drop down in the comment section. We would be very happy to help you out. And yes, thank you for watching, guys.